The tips in this video about making money online are for you. Struggling to pay for your home mortgage each month? Are you tired of the high cost of fuel for your vehicle and grocery store prices, and now you're wondering what you can do to make ends meet? You're in luck because this video will give you some great advice about making money online. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. You can make money online at home by doing research as an information broker. Many individuals and businesses need people to research information online and provide it to their advertising departments. Sometimes this is freelance work. Sometimes companies provide an actual position that may come with benefits. You can start out freelance, build your reputation, and then seek out a full-time position if you wish. One good way to make money online is by writing blog posts or videos. There are a few sites such as Helium and Associated Content that will pay for blog posts and videos that you write. You can earn up to $200 for videos on topics they are looking for. If you do not want to put a large monetary investment into your online business, consider buying and selling domains. Basically, purchase a domain at a rock bottom price. From there, sell it for a profit. Remember, though, to do your research and figure out which domain names are in demand. Thousands of people across the country are now making online and loving every minute of it. Print this video out and keep it where you can see it and refer to it when necessary. Making money online is not an opportunity that you will want to miss. It's time for you to get started. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.